Man, I can't believe I got a fucking punishment day for pulling the fucking fire alarm and ditching school again. I hate my fucking life. And I hate school. Oh, fuck! It's Recturd.
First of all, never call me Recturd. And second, stop with your potty mouth. And third, time for school.
Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr
Jackson, go to school now.
Fuck no. You dragged my hair.
Oh my god, Jackson the freaking chicken. Shut up and let's go.
Fuck no.
Good morning, class. Today we are taking our final test.
Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr
Jackson, stop with your potty mouth. And you have to take the test to graduate the class.
Okay, fine. Turd Bob, can I take a piss in the bathroom?
First of all, never call me Turd Bob, and second, no, you cannot go.
Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr if I don't go.
Okay, fine. But remember, we are checking the cameras.
Man, I am so bored right now. But I can't ditch school or pull the fire alarm. What should I do? I know. I will destroy the bathrooms, then pull the lockdown alarm, then pull the fire alarm, and ditch school all at the same time. Ha 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 ha. Now it's the time to destroy the bathrooms. Ha 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 ha. Now let's get the fuck out of here and pull the lockdown and fire alarm and ditch school. Ha 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 ha. Now it's the time to pull the lockdown alarm and fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Now let's get the fuck out of here.
What the fuck? What was that loud crash? I better check it out. Oh, it's the fire alarm. Everyone go outside.
Do. I ditched school. Now let's go to McDonald's.
Meanwhile at school.
Okay, class. Sorry about what happened. It was the fire alarm that went off. And where the fuck is Jackson? He better not ditch school. And what the fuck was that crash? I am going to the principal's office to see what happened. Hey Bob. What brings you here? Well, Jackson is not at school, and I think I heard the crash, and it might have been Jackson. Well, you're probably right. You can go back to class now. When Jackson comes back, send him to my office. No problem. Now let's go back to work. Well, let's look at the cameras. God fucking damn it. That son of a bitch Jackson. He disconnected the fucking camera. Oh my god, I forgot about the hidden camera. Let's watch the video.
After the video ended.
That son of a fucking bitch Jackson. Jackson destroyed the bathrooms and pulled the silent lockdown alarm and pulled the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time. Now the police are on their way and I am calling Riker. But first I will wait for the police.
Hello, is everything okay? We got a lockdown alarm.
Yes, everything is okay. Jackson pulled the alarm and Riker is going to get him and call you guys to arrest him.
Okay. Thanks for telling me.
No problem. Now goodbye. Hello. And what did Jackson do this time? Well, Jackson destroyed the bathrooms and pulled the lockdown alarm and pulled the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time. I will call the police on him and have him arrested. Don't worry, I got it from here. I will deal with him. Good. Man, I really hate Jackson. I think I know where he is. I will find him and call the police.
Meanwhile at McDonald's.
Welcome to McDonald's. May I take your order?
Yes, I would like the 2 cheeseburger meal with a 4-piece chicken McNugget and a water, and that's it.
Okay, that will be $11.99.
Okay, here you go.
Thanks. Now here is your food.
You're welcome. Now let's eat. I'm done. Fuck! It's the police.
Ha! I caught you. You are under arrest for destroying the school bathrooms and pulling the lockdown and fire alarms and ditching school. Those are serious crimes. Now come with me right fucking now and get in the fucking police car.
Fuck no. Wah. You dragged my fucking hair.
I don't care. Now I am taking you to jail. You will be in jail for 5 months.
No 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 no. I'm sorry.
Too bad. Jackson, you have a visitor.
Jackson, I cannot believe you destroyed the bathrooms and pulled the lockdown and fire alarms and ditched school to McDonald's. When you get out of prison in 5 months, it will be punishment day.
No 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 no. Anything but punishment day.
Too bad. Have fun in prison. Don't drop the soap. Goodbye.
Jackson, Riker told me to do this, so you are going back to diapers.
Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr laughing.
No. I will not. And too bad. You are going back to diapers and I will be burning your pants. Say goodbye to your pants.
Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr Wah. Now I'm in fucking diapers.
Ha. Now you are in diapers. Now, I will be burning your pants.
Wah. My pants. They're gone.
I don't care. Anyway, it is time to do some exercise. You are doing 1 million push-ups.
Fuck no. Wah. You dragged my hair.
I don't care. Now do your 1 million push-ups.
Fuck no. I am not doing 1 million push-ups. That is way too many push-ups.
Jackson, do your 1 million push-ups, or I will drag your hair to the electric chair.
No 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 no. Please don't drag my hair to the electric chair.
Then do all 1 million push-ups.
Later, after Jackson finished his push-ups.
Wah. It hurts. So bad.
I don't care if it hurts. Anyway, your 1 million push-ups are done. Now come with me right now, you're having Brussels sprouts for breakfast.
Fuck no. Wah. You dragged my hair.
I don't care. Now eat your fucking Brussels sprouts.
Nom. I'm done.
No, you're not fucking done, you fucking idiot. You only ate one tiny bite. Now eat all of your fucking Brussels sprouts before I drag your fucking hair to the electric chair.
No 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 no. Please don't drag my hair to the electric chair.
Then eat all of your fucking Brussels sprouts.
Nom 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 nom. I'm done.
Okay, you are done. Not.
Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr
before I drag your fucking hair to the fucking electric chair.
No 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 no. Please don't drag my hair to the electric chair. I will eat all of my Brussels sprouts. Nom 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 nom.
Good, you are actually done. Now come with me, you're cleaning the toilets.
Fuck no. Wah! You dragged my hair.
I don't care. Anyway, you will be cleaning the toilets, and we don't have a toilet brush, so you will be cleaning the toilets by licking them.
Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr
Do you want to clean the toilets? Or do you want to go to the electric chair?
No, 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 no. I will clean the toilets.
That's what I thought.
After Jackson cleaned the toilet.
Wah! It is so gross.
I don't care. Guess what? One toilet done, 999 more toilets to go.
Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr
clean more toilets, or would you rather me drag your hair to the electric chair?
No, 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 no. I will clean the toilets.
That's what I thought.
After Jackson cleaned all 1,000 toilets.
Wah! It is so fucking gross, and I am so fucking tired.
Alright, Jackson, you're done, and eating the shit from the toilets was your lunch. Now come with me, you're having Brussels sprouts for dinner again.
Fuck no. Wah! You dragged my fucking hair.
Now eat all of your fucking Brussels sprouts, or else I will drag your fucking hair to the fucking electric chair.
Okay, okay. I'll eat all of my Brussels sprouts. Nom 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 nom.
Okay, you're done. Now go back to your cell.
Fuck no. Wah! You dragged my fucking hair.
You will be sleeping on the toilet, because you don't deserve to sleep on the bed.
Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr
on the electric chair.
Okay. I will sleep on the toilet.
That's what I thought. Now goodbye.
5 months later.
Jackson, you are free to go. Now get the fuck out of here before I change my mind.
Okay. I will go home.
Well, you are back home. How was prison?
Terrible. I had to wake up and eat Brussels sprouts for breakfast, then do 1 million push-ups, and then clean the toilets by eating the shit and drinking the piss. Then I had to eat Brussels sprouts again for dinner, and then I had to sleep on the fucking toilet, and this shit repeated every fucking day. Stop fucking laughing, you fucking bitch.
Hey, I just remembered today is punishment day.
No. Anything but punishment day.
Too bad. Oh, Jackson, I cannot believe you did all of those things. That's it. Today is punishment day. First punishment, concussion time and beating you. Next punishment, forcing you to eat Brussels sprouts. Now go to the kitchen right now.
Fuck no. Wah. You dragged my hair.
I don't care. Now I'm going to force feed you.
After Riker force-fed Jackson.
Wah. It is gross.
I don't care. Stupid. Next punishment. Drinking water from the toilet. Now go to the bathroom right now.
Fuck no. Wah. You dragged my hair.
I don't care. Stupid. Now drink it.
After Jackson drank all of the toilet water.
Wah. Now I am fat.
I don't care. Stupid. Last punishment. You're grounded for life. Now go upstairs to your room right now. And poop in your diapers.
Wah. Wah. That was the worst idea I have ever done in my life. I hate my fucking life. And I fucking hate Rick Turd.